Hey YouTube, this is Plan B Skater with another guide to change the kingpin of your trucks. I'm making this guide because mine just recently snapped and I almost lost the hardware to it, like the bushings and stuff. So yeah, first take off the bolt on it. Oh yeah, the regular size of this is 14. I don't know if you guys can see it, but yeah, 14 mm. Just unscrew it.
Yo, you're almost out of time.
There are 4 main parts to trucks, or actually 6 if you count the other 2, or 7. There's the top washer that goes with the top bushing. The axle that just comes right off. Here's the bottom bushing with the washer. Here's the kingpin. If it's snapped and only like this part is here, just hammer it off. If it's stuck, there's a kingpin and the plate, the truck plate. You could use another one like this, except mine is like a square. It's not the same head as it, so yeah. Just put in the kingpin like that. Put the bottom washer in. Put the axle in. Put the washer in, or maybe put the bushing in first, because make the side that's bigger at the back of it ish, whatever it, and put the washer on and hand tighten it until you can't anymore. And there you go. That's how you disassemble a truck and change kingpin and assemble it again. Hope this guide helped you. So yeah, whatever. Thanks for watching my videos.